You're watching Dancehall and News TV. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be notified of new uploads. And now the news. Unsuspecting shoppers are shelling out up to $14,000 for a pair of Clarks. Most people don't know the original different from the knockoff, a downtown Kingston vendor said yesterday. He said that vendors understand that many Clarks lovers are unable to afford the authentic product and are prepared to spend big to wear a pair of Clarks shoes, even if it's fake. Mature people like me who in the business, we understand that some people cannot afford the original, so we have to cater for both, meaning the rich and poor. Some people cannot afford the $25,000 used it, so we show them the cheaper one for like $6,000, the vendor said yesterday. The seasoned shoe seller told the Weekend Star that persons who are not aware of the difference between fake and real Clarks often become prey to many vendors. When you don't know the original from the knockoff, you can get goose. You have people out in the streets that will try to sell you the knockoff fi like the original price, but you can differentiate based on the material. But there are some Jamaicans who are prepared to spend up to $8,500 for a pair of fraud brand Clarks. John Brown * has made an online business out of selling the counterfeit goods. He told the Weekend Star that he is able to sell up to 10 pairs of these shoes, which he advertised as not original. Brown, in an online advertisement, shares that he is selling Clarks for $8,500. He told the Weekend Star that the idea to sell this type of shoes came to him roughly 2 years ago. It started off mainly as a school thing, like persons buy for back to school, but then me realized the demand for the other colors, he said. Pernal Charles arcade vendors said that people are always buying Clarks fake or original. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you appreciate the information, and share. So until the next video.